Hello everyone. Today, I will introduce you to everyone. The software can manage thousands of accounts, or a Twitter account. As you can see on the screen, I have a lot of Twitter accounts added to the software. This software will help everyone. It could be automated management, interact as a real user, and, well, it's not broken. Discovered is you have multiple accounts on one computer. In order to get into the details, I will introduce you features of the software for everyone to see. The first is the account manager. This is where people want to add an account. People want 100, 200, or 500. Then people just click on the add account section, and everyone will add its format to it. The format here is a limp or a Praviki if that people have, or email, pass mail. People will add here, and everyone will add one. There are hundreds of accounts. Not just adding each account. Once everyone has added the accounts, then it's going to have a lot of other features for people. Deployment. To talk like a real part of this post, or text. Comment, ship, nail. Well, to do those things, people need to have content. Next is the content management section. It's in the management. This article, people will add content that people want to comment on, or text, or posting, or shipping, or driving. People will choose to come here. While every content, if you have a lot of content, people will follow the structure. This speed is fine. Each piece of content has a dash when it's finished. So how do we make sure that the platform can't scan it? You're using a lot of accounts. On a computer, this is related to proxy. Right? Everyone can. This is the proxy management part. This proxy will help everyone add a proxy to an account. It's X so that the platform can't scan. For each X, it is logging in on a different network IP address. It should be the foundation. It'll never be able to scan. When there is content, if you have a Pro C, you will. Well, a lot of things. It's like this interactive travel function. You can interact as a real user. As you can see, I'm surfing this feed. Like this, new feed. Read this message, a lot of features. Whichever one you plug in, it will, well, follow the actions that you like. And in this configuration, if everyone is done watching, everyone will stay. Then everyone will have their own configuration. And then there's the post function. Post function. Comment, function, message, comment. They have this tracking function. Join the community. Or change the account information. In this video, I just go through all the features. And people want to see the details of each feature. People will go to their YouTube channel. I'll do it in the channel. A lot of detailed videos of each feature. Let everyone see. So that people won't get messed up, and the length of the video is, watch it so people don't get bored. Or it doesn't take a lot of work for people to find it. So this is the end of my video, folks. Like and follow my YouTube channel. So when I get to the next videos, so that everyone can be well. It's getting information faster. Xin Chao, and see you all. If anyone cares about this part, message via WhatsApp or WhatsApp or TikTok for me.